Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the human microbiome, a complex ecosystem of trillions of microorganisms living inside of you. Don't let the word microorganisms scare you though. These little guys are absolutely essential for our health and well-being. Think of your body as a bustling city, and your microbiome is like the population that keeps everything running smoothly. From digestion to mental health, these tiny organisms play a huge role in our overall well-being. We're going to break down exactly how these microbes impact every facet of your health and what you can do to keep them happy. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's unlock the secrets of your body's hidden helpers, the amazing microbiome. Let's talk about digestion. We all know that our bodies break down the food we eat, but did you know that we can't actually digest everything on our own? That's where our gut microbes come in. They're like our own personal digestion squad, working behind the scenes to break down complex carbohydrates and fibers that our bodies can't handle alone. Think of fiber like a tough, stringy vegetable. Your stomach acids and digestive enzymes struggle to break it down completely. But the microbes in your gut? They've got the right tools for the job. They ferment these fibers, producing short-chain fatty acids or SCFAs. Now, SCFAs are like gold for your gut. They provide energy to the cells lining your colon, keeping them healthy and strong. But they do so much more than that. SCFAs also help regulate bowel movements, reducing constipation and promoting a happy gut. And here's where it gets really interesting. Research is showing that SCFAs may even play a role in reducing the risk of certain diseases, like colon cancer. So, a healthy microbiome, rich in these fiber-loving bacteria, is essential for optimal digestion and overall health. But it's not just about breaking down food. Our gut microbes also help us absorb essential nutrients. They produce enzymes that help us unlock vitamins and minerals from our food, ensuring our bodies get the fuel they need. So the next time you sit down to a meal, remember the trillions of tiny helpers working hard in your gut to make sure you get the most out of every bite. And remember, a diverse and balanced microbiome is key to a happy and healthy digestive system. Let's talk about your immune system, your body's incredible defense force. But here's a secret. Your immune system isn't working alone. It has a secret weapon, your microbiome. Think of your microbiome as a training ground for your immune system. From birth, your body is exposed to a vast array of microbes. Some are good, some are bad. Your immune system learns to tell friend from foe with the help of the microbiome. Good microbes teach immune cells to recognize harmful pathogens. It's like a constant training exercise. A balanced microbiome is crucial for this process. It helps your immune system distinguish between harmless substances and real threats. This balance helps prevent autoimmune diseases. In autoimmune diseases, the immune system attacks the body's own cells. An imbalanced microbiome may contribute to these conditions. Fostering a healthy microbiome can reduce the risk of autoimmune disorders. Microbes also produce substances that fight off pathogens. They release antimicrobial peptides targeting harmful bacteria. They compete with pathogens for resources. Your microbiome is a powerful ally in the fight for your health. Nurturing a diverse microbiome strengthens your immune system. We often think of vitamins and minerals as something we get solely from our diet. But what if I told you that your body has its own internal vitamin factory? It's true, and you guessed it. The microbiome is at the heart of it. Our gut microbes are master manufacturers, producing essential vitamins and nutrients that our bodies need to thrive. They're particularly adept at synthesizing B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production, cell function, and even DNA synthesis. Without enough B vitamins, we'd feel sluggish, our cells wouldn't function properly, and our overall health would suffer. But that's not all. Our gut microbes also produce vitamin K, a vital nutrient for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin K deficiency can lead to excessive bleeding and increase the risk of fractures. Thankfully, our gut microbes have got us covered, ensuring we have a steady supply of this essential vitamin. These microscopic factories are constantly at work, churning out vital nutrients that our bodies can readily absorb. This means that a healthy and diverse microbiome can actually improve our nutritional status, even if our diet isn't always perfect. But here's the catch. Not all microbes are created equal. Different species of bacteria excel at producing different nutrients. That's why a diverse microbiome is so important. The more diverse our gut flora, the greater the variety of vitamins and nutrients our bodies can produce. So, by nurturing a thriving community of microbes in our gut, we're not just supporting digestion and immunity, we're also boosting our body's ability to produce essential vitamins and minerals, laying the foundation for optimal health and well-being. Imagine your gut as a bustling city, with both friendly residents and potential troublemakers. Just like a well-run city needs a strong defense system, your gut relies on its own protective shield, the microbiome. The microbiome acts as a first line of defense against harmful pathogens. Think of it as a microscopic army, constantly patrolling the borders of your gut. The trillions of microbes in our gut occupy space and consume resources, making it difficult for pathogens to gain a foothold. Our gut microbes also produce antimicrobial substances, powerful weapons that directly target and destroy pathogens. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want to pick a fight with someone who has a whole army backing them up, right? When faced with a strong and diverse microbiome, they're less likely to survive and cause harm. Our metabolism, the intricate network of chemical processes that keep our bodies running, is a fascinating and complex system. And guess what? The microbiome plays a starring role in this intricate dance of energy, fat storage, and overall metabolic health. Think of your microbiome as a conductor, orchestrating the way your body extracts energy from food and manages its energy stores. These tiny organisms influence how many calories we absorb from the food we eat, impacting our weight and metabolism. But it's not just about calorie absorption. The microbiome also influences how our bodies store fat. Research suggests that certain gut microbes may promote fat storage, while others may help us burn fat more efficiently. This delicate balance can influence our risk of obesity and metabolic disorders. The microbiome's influence on metabolism extends far beyond energy balance. It also plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels, a crucial factor in preventing type 2 diabetes. Some gut microbes help improve insulin sensitivity, the hormone that regulates blood sugar, while others may contribute to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of diabetes. But the microbiome's metabolic influence doesn't stop there. It also impacts cholesterol levels, a key factor in heart health. Certain gut microbes can actually help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that contributes to plaque buildup in arteries. So the microbiome is like a master conductor, orchestrating a symphony of metabolic processes that impact our weight, blood sugar control, cholesterol levels, and overall metabolic health. By nurturing a diverse and balanced microbiome, we can help keep our metabolism humming along smoothly, reducing our risk of metabolic disorders and promoting optimal health. For years, we've viewed the brain and the gut as separate entities, each with its own distinct functions, but emerging research is revealing a fascinating connection between these two seemingly disparate organs, the gut-brain axis. And at the heart of this connection lies the microbiome, our gut's bustling community of microbes. Think of the gut-brain axis as a two-way communication highway, with messages constantly being relayed between the gut and the brain. The microbiome plays a critical role in this communication network, influencing brain function, mood, and even behavior. One way the microbiome communicates with the brain is through the production of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that relay signals throughout the nervous system. Amazingly, our gut microbes produce many of the same neurotransmitters found in the brain, including serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, all of which play a role in mood regulation, sleep, and even cognition. But the microbiome's influence on the brain goes beyond neurotransmitter production. These tiny organisms also influence the production of short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs, which we discussed earlier in the context of digestion. SCFAs, particularly butyrate, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects, potentially benefiting brain health and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. The gut-brain connection is a two-way street. Just as the microbiome can influence the brain, stress, anxiety, and other psychological factors can impact the composition and function of the microbiome. This intricate interplay highlights the interconnectedness of our gut and brain health. Research on the gut-brain axis is still in its early stages, but the findings so far are incredibly promising. By understanding how the microbiome influences the brain, we can develop new strategies for improving mental health, managing mood disorders, and even enhancing cognitive function. That was a deep dive into the world of the human microbiome, and I hope you're as amazed by these microscopic helpers as I am. From digestion to mental health, The microbiome touches every aspect of our well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sharing this information can help others understand the importance of their microbiome and how to nurture it for optimal health. Stay tuned for more insights into the amazing world of science and health. We'll be exploring more fascinating topics, breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand explanations, and empowering you to take control of your health.